Hello there, welcome to another tutorial video of GoDial. In this video, we are going to talk about a new feature where we have added WhatsApp as a new dialer in GoDial. With this, you can now use your WhatsApp to make calls directly using the GoDial auto dialer and track the reports in the CRM. There are multiple benefits to this. What this does for your team is that now they can straight away make calls using the internet without any voice plans. You can also connect with international customers instantly. You can call prospects and check the leads directly into the CRM. And with the WhatsApp API, you can straight away combine calling with chat for maximum engagement. Let us now see how this is done. To do this, you simply have to log into your GoDial app and there go to the settings tab and select WhatsApp under the phone dialer. Scroll down and click set. That's all that you need to do. Now you can see under the contact it's showing calling with WhatsApp. Click start as you do always and place the call. You will now see that the call is being placed through WhatsApp instead of your normal phone dialer. In case the number is not on WhatsApp, GoDial will automatically redirect you to send a message instead. You can send the message directly from your number on the WhatsApp and place the call. You will now see that the call is being placed through WhatsApp instead of your normal phone dialer. Once the conversation is over, you can dispose the call and see how it has gone. The report of every call will be available on the web dashboard. All you have to do is log in, head to the reports and analytics, click on master and check the reports. Here you can see that the dialer is now showing as WhatsApp instead of phone. Hope you liked this new video and this new feature. Do tell us in the comments about how you're planning to use WhatsApp for your business. Till then, thank you so much. Do subscribe and like to this channel for more videos and more features regarding WhatsApp, CRM and auto dialer.